What a nice morning. So I went to take my truck yesterday to Brian, Zury Fabrications in Pasadena, Maryland. He cut off the muffler. We did a muffler delete. He has done some work for me on the Lightning. Custom catback exhaust, 3-inch stainless steel, all the goodies. He does nice welding and all. So he deleted the muffler on this one, F-150 5.0 V8. I know the tailpipe is ugly. I'm gonna change that later on, but for right now, she does the job. Let's hear it. Sounds good. Start it up, she barks. But yeah, that's how that sounds.